sulit yung gastos ko this year. Yeah, pero alam niyo, thank you so much kasi this means so much to me.
I love you, Josh!
Wala naman ako na I've worked so much this entire year, non-stop, no sleeps, para i-pursue yung vision ko. And not just for me, but I believe na I'm pursuing something na pwedeng mag-benefit ang mga later generations. But etong award na to, it symbolizes something na syempre, na hindi mapapalitan ng monetary value. Sabi ko nga, it symbolizes syempre yung hard work natin sa P-pop industry. And maraming salamat syempre sa Black Star, Sony Music Entertainment, sa mga kasama ko sa journey ko, at sa mga kasama ko na tinutupad yung mga kabaliwan ko. Pero yun, maraming salamat. And of course, A-Team! BBQs! Maraming salamat. Thank you. Love you all.
Accelerate! Influence in their debut year should have made an impressive impact on the Philippine music scene. And the New Artist of the Year award goes to we have two winners. New In and Aster.
Aster, I would like to thank first of all our management. Thank you so much, Aster's Entertainment. Hindi po kami nandito. Wala po kami dito kung wala po kayo. To our family, friends, and our twinkles. Thank you for supporting and believing in us since day one. Lagi niyo pong tatandaan na lahat ng achievements and successes namin ay laging dahil sa inyo at para sa inyo. Once again, Remove and Shine, pure Aster. Salamat po.
First of all, thank you to our fans. New Days, you guys are amazing! A-M-A-Z-I-N-G, amazing! Shout out to my boy Wilson! Well, first of all, pasensya na po, hindi ko po masyadong nangyo mag-Tagalog po. Pero, sobrang thankful kami po. Thank you so much to our lovely fans, New Days. We love you so much. Thank you so much for supporting us every single day. We really appreciate every message and every letter you send us. Yeah. Stay tuned for the next year. Great things will come. Thank you very much.
Also, I would like to thank our company, MLB Entertainment, and Congrats our brother, sorry. Let's go! Let's get it together! So with that, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa mga tumulong sa amin na makapag-TV at marating to na punta namin ngayon. To our artists in DNM Entertainment, mahal na mahal po namin kayo. And to our MOD family, mahal na mahal din po namin kayo. So once again, this has been New League! Maraming salamat po!
In behalf of Philip, my brother, of course, he's such an amazing artist. Marami lang siyang vision. And personally, it's one of my favorites din, ang Kanako. And on behalf of him, I'm gonna be taking this award. And ayun po, salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa kanya, sa mga CSU. And of course, sa team, maraming salamat po.
We are accepting this award. Thank you very much.
The music video goes to Salamin, Salamin. Song recording award goes to Kaya.
Philippines, sa Blackstar Entertainment, sa family and friends po namin kay Lord, sa Kaya, sa mga coaches namin, sa Glam Team and everyone, to our producer, Mr. Owen Lee, and of course, to our Zaya. Thank you for watching! Ang sabihin daw si Cherise. Ayan, actually, super proud ako sa You Did It kasi before, kinakabahan kami na i-release tong song na to. Pero nagulat ako kung ano na narating ni You Did It. And thank you so much din po sa mga nagtiwala sa akin. Of course, sa family sa amin. Of course, Zaya, I love you guys so much. Once again, we are Kaya!
Hindi mo bigat na. Maraming salamat sa special sa amin between us as a management. This AQ Prime Music, headed by Mami Hani Kino and Atty. Alvin Alegre. Siyempre, gusto rin namin pasalamatan lahat ng aming pamilya, friends, and of course, people friends na nandito ngayon para sa ating lahat ng award na ito.
Between, maraming salamat po! Thank you so much!
Thank you, Lord!
Mabuhay ang people! Go! maraming salamat din. And we also thank our ABS-CBN Music family, Star Pop family, especially to our bosses, Sir Roxy Liquigan, Sir Jonathan Manalo, Sir Rox Santos, and to our PPL CEO head, our dearest manager, Tito Perry Lansigan, and to our road manager, Kuya Sam Grant. Maraming salamat po. Sorry po, kinakabahan talaga ako kasi this is our first day. Maraming salamat po. These boys are really working hard. So guys, magkita-kita po tayo on December 31 sa MOA Arena, MOA Seaside for the GMA New Year's Countdown. Maraming salamat po. And we will release more music, guys.
One and Calista.
Nagsisiyang pa ako eh. Pero, una sa lahat, P-Pop! Yes, P-Pop Icon Award. Gusto ko lang syempre mag-share ng story. Kasi, when I was 16 years old, when I was 16 years old, talagang parang na-inspire ako or na-fell in love ako with performing. Not to myself, pero dun sa mga pinapanood ko mag-perform ng mga artists, celebrities, and syempre visionaries. And na-realize ko, ang galing nitong ganitong concept. Yung natitel mo yung stories mo through art, performing, singing, dancing. Doon ako nakakuita ng idea na, what if maging ganito ang Pilipinas? What if lumawak pa ang kultura ng culture and the arts natin? Kasi, alam nyo, I got an opportunity before to perform abroad, to represent the Philippines for another competition. At dun mas lumawak yung vision ko. Doon ko na-realize na sana balang araw may katulad ng America, K-pop, J-pop, or alam niyo, just pop in general, pero on that level, yung Pilipinas. And kaya ako sinashare to because there were times na naalala ko yung mga unang sampa namin sa mga interviews sa TV. Ang tawag sa amin, Filipino K-pop. Ako, matigas ulo ko, sinasagot ko. Sabi ko, hindi po Filipino K-pop. Nag-isip ako ng closest word na pwede natin i-relate sa Philippine pop. So I said, P-pop. P-pop po kami. And of course, ngayon, P-pop has grown so much. There was this, actually, my good friend, recently nagkwentuhan kami. Then sabi niya, na parang napagkwentuhan namin yung, alam niyo yung The Greatest Showman. And did you know the song, A Million Dreams? Kasi similar na ni Hugh Jackman. Feel ko, ganun ako. Parang pag may na-envision ako, baliw, masyadong mataas, ambitious. And meron doon, my favorite line was, a million dreams for a world we're gonna make. And right now, I feel like we're more than a million already. Diba? And yung million dreams na yun, sama-sama natin tutuparin. Para sa industry, para sa P-pop, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.